my fellow eggheads. My name is Liz. I'm a certified technician. Today we're going to be discussing what to do with your laptop when you turn it on and the power button lifts up, but the computer itself does not actually turn on. I'm going to take you through the troubleshooting method on how to fix this. So I'm going to have you try the first thing first, which is unplug the power cord and locate your power button. This is a simple troubleshooting method, but it is effective. You're going to hold down your power button for 1 whole minute, draining the power out of your system. Release it and try turning your computer on. Moving on to troubleshooting step number 2. And for this next step, my battery and power cord are unplugged. The RAM. RAM is a big leading cause for a black screen issue. So as you can see, we have 2 RAM sticks. So I'm going to test both the ports and the sticks because RAM is like headlight on a car. They tend to go one at a time. So I'm going to take one stick out and leave the other one in. And then I'm going to try starting my computer. If my computer starts and the screen turns on no problem, then I know there is an issue with that RAM stick. It needs to be replaced. But if it still has a black screen, then the next step I would do is I would try swapping out the RAM stick for the other one, because it could be that just one of the sticks has failed. So I take out one RAM stick, and by the process of elimination, I test the other one too to see if there's one working RAM stick. Because like I said, they tend to fail one at a time. So if I turn the computer on with one RAM stick uninstalled and it works, then I know the uninstalled RAM stick is bad. So I'm testing my second stick of RAM right now. If the computer still doesn't turn on, then the next step would be to try it in the other port to see if it's actually an issue with one of the ports being bad. In this case, I'm going to try both sticks of RAM in this extra port, because in rare cases you can have a stick of RAM and a port go bad, so it's really worth trying both sticks in each port. Now in this case, I had these 2 sticks in this one port, they work, and the 2 sticks in the other port do not work. This tells me that I have 2 good sticks of RAM and I have 1 bad port. So that's how you do it. Now keep in mind, if you're still having problems with your laptop, if that didn't resolve it, what I would do as a technician after these main reasons for it is I would try what's called a BIOS reset. That would be the next step in the troubleshooting process. I've left a link for you guys down below so you can check that out if need be. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.